Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy, and today I have an amazing DIY coconut milk hand mask that is amazing, guys. It will leave your hands super soft and smooth, and you can also use as a leave-in lotion, and it helps with fade dark spots, anti-aging, and it's so easy to make, guys. I'm like in love. So if you want to see how to make it, keep on watching. Coconut milk is not coconut water and is not coconut oil. It's basically the actual coconut grinded and extracted the actual juice, and that is so powerful because it's super high in vitamin C and a lot of fatty acids, so it's anti-aging, it helps to strengthen the skin, it's soothe and smooth, and the most amazing thing is not as oily as coconut oil, so you can leave it in. And that is one of my favorite things. You can just massage it in, just like those amazing, luxurious hand masks that you see at Sephora or from Corona, which I love. But then they can be a little pricey. So I was thinking, how can I make a DIY that give me the same effect and I don't have to wash it off? So it's just practical. This is for people that are busy and also great after you do your nails because it also strengthens your nails and your cuticles. So now let me show you how to make it. Before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get to the recipe. All you're gonna need for this recipe is one ingredient, is coconut milk. Plastic gloves. If you don't have plastic gloves, you can use regular plastic saran wrap. And this plastic gloves, I got like this whole set at the supermarket. It's just the ones from food or anything, or sometimes even if you have rubber gloves, that works too. This is an important thing I wanted to mention because all you really need is coconut milk, but you want to make sure you get the right kind. First of all, make sure you get coconut milk and not coconut cream, not coconut water, not coconut oil. Coconut milk. Another thing, must be full coconut milk. Don't get the light version, otherwise it won't be creamy. Just get the full fat coconut milk. Another important thing when you get the coconut milk is to look in the label. You want to make sure you get pure coconut milk. You don't want to get it with sugars. You don't want to get it with other ingredients mixed in. It must only contain coconut, water, and guar gum, or just coconut and water. Depending on the brand that you buy, it may or may not contain guar gum. Guar gum is just a thickening agent, but it doesn't like change any of the natural ingredients and doesn't change the effects of it. It just makes it a little creamier. But you know, I've noticed the ones that are just coconut and water are thicker, and the ones that have guar gum are a little more creamier, but either one works. Once you buy from the supermarket, sometimes it looks like this, more like a liquid consistency, as you guys can see. But once you put on the refrigerator, even for just a few hours, it will look more like this one, which is, as you guys can see, a thicker consistency. Basically what I do is I buy the coconut milk can and I put it in the refrigerator overnight. So that way it kind of becomes harder. Sometimes when you buy at the supermarket, it already looks like this. And if it already looks like that, it's ready to use. But if it doesn't, if it's already looking too liquidy, you can leave in the refrigerator and then overnight it will look like this in the morning, or it will actually harden. But even if it's hardened like this, it will melt in your hands. So now let me show you how to do it. To do this a hand mask, get about a tablespoon and get your gloves ready. I like to open the gloves first because after you put the lotion in, it'll be harder to do that. So get the gloves ready, apply all over your hands, massaging it. It's amazing. It looks almost like a serum type texture. When you're doing it as a mask, you can apply like a large amount, but when you're doing it as a lotion, all you need is a little bit, and you're gonna see it absorbs right away. But since we're doing it as a mask, you're just gonna completely cover your hands with the coconut milk. After you have your hands completely engulfed in the coconut milk, put it in the glove. After you're done applying, I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes and I'll be back to show you the results. I'm back. It's been 20 minutes and I'm totally multitasking. Actually, I realized these plastic gloves actually let me browse my phone, which is amazing because the only hand mask that let me do that is the Corona one, which I love. But most hand masks that you buy at the store, you can do anything with. You can edit, you can access your phone. This plastic glove from First Street is disposable gloves. It's there's the regular one from, I got it in the supermarket here in America. I'm amazed actually, because normally I use a different kind of gloves, and I just happen to use this, which is so cheap. I think this whole box is like $5, and it comes like with like 500 gloves. Anyways, I am derailing, but mostly just wanted to give you that heads up that if you get this particular gloves, you can actually use your computer, browse your phone, and, you know, not be limited with your hands. And that's a huge plus for me. Anyway, so let's get back to the video. So after it's been 20 minutes, just take off the gloves and just massage the rest of the serum. You can even put it like on your arms a little bit, on your elbows, you know. You can massage it. It's actually a really good body lotion too. And just massage it. And oh my God, my hands are so soft right now. See guys, it's already absorbing. It almost already completely absorbed. Let me show you. As I'm doing the outro, I want to show you that it's almost all completely absorbed. And that's what I love about it, because you can totally wash it off if you like, but if you just leave it on, especially if you do it in the evening, it's amazing, because then you wake up with baby hands. I'm not joking. So hope you got a chance to try it out. I'm a little sick today, that's why I'm super stuffed up. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. And also let me know if you get a chance to try this mask, what are your thoughts, and if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!